Hello everyone, I'm Wendy Tomlinson. I'm an EFT master practitioner and mindset coach. So today I want to give you an idea for releasing sadness. So because this is a releasing session, we're going to do things nice and slow, just nice and gentle, just tapping the side of your hand really nicely and gentle. And we're going to do something called the EFT freedom spell. So it's not woo-woo or anything like that. It is just words that we're going to use to help release sadness. When we tap on the EFT points, you don't need to know them, just follow it along with me and do what I do. And you can say the words out loud, or you can just listen to them and let them seep into your subconscious mind and just help support you. Okay, so these little energy points, these EFT points, they're like doorways into your energy body. And what we're doing is we're getting the energy flowing the way that it should do. So the sadness can cause like a blockage, and it can keep you feeling low. So we want just to get the energy flowing nicely so that your energy is higher and you can feel better. So we're not particularly aiming to go from feeling very sad to feeling absolutely amazing. That will be great, but just to feel a bit better. That's what we're aiming for, a bit better. And then from there, you can work on feeling a bit more better, and a bit happier. So that's what we're doing today. So tap along with me and either say the words out loud or just listen to my words. So I'm going to say an intention of why we're tapping first. I'm tapping today to release the sadness. I'm tapping to release this feeling, to let it go and allow myself to feel better. So now we're going to move on to the EFT freedom spell. All of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Keep tapping. So just imagine the feeling that you're experiencing at the moment. Where do you feel it in your body? And just imagine it, just softening. Imagine it as something that's kind of like hard at the moment. And imagine it softening and just flowing away. Just gently releasing it. This is a really positive way to release low emotions that you don't want to hold on to. All of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Move to the top of the head. All of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Tapping really, really gently. Just keep your breathing nice and relaxed throughout. If you feel that you need to take a nice deep breath, then do that. Move to the forehead. All of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Eyebrow, you can do either side, it's fine, or you can do both. It's all the same. All of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. The side of the eye. all of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Under the eye, all of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Under the nose, all of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Now, some people call this the chin area. I tend to, when I'm doing my EFT scripts, I tend to list this as just under the mouth. To me, this is like the chin area. So this is where I like to tap here. All of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. This is collarbone area. So you can tap like this. You can tap like this. One hand, two hands. As long as you're tapping in that general area, you're doing great. All of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Back to the side of the hand. All of this sadness, I now let you go. Soften and flow, soften and flow. Place your hands in the heart healing position. So your palms just over the centre of your chest. Take a nice deep breath. Close your eyes if you want to. And just imagine any remaining sadness just floating away from you. Okay. So this is just one way that we can release sadness. So this is a nice one to do with me, to come back and watch this video. But if you're on your own and you can't get to watch the video and you are feeling sad, one thing that you can do is just literally tap the side of your hand or place your hands in the heart healing position. Nobody's going to notice. Nobody's going to notice if you're doing this, even if you're sat in a really busy room. But just, you can tap the side of your hand. It's like under the table if you need to. And in your mind, just say, I'm tapping to release this sadness. I'm tapping to release this feeling. And just say, this feeling, this feeling, this feeling. Or you can say, release, release, release. Because it doesn't really matter what you're saying. You set the intention. You set your intention to release this feeling of sadness. So any tapping that you're doing, to be honest, even if you don't say why you're tapping, I find that the energy shift happens where it's needed. Sometimes I'll have 2 or 3 different emotions going on, and I focus on one emotion that I want to release, such as sadness. And then when I kind of go back and sort of think, oh, what were the other things that I was feeling? And they've gone, they've released. So any tapping, the last thing that I want you to do is worry about saying the right words or tapping the right places. So if all you can remember is tapping the side of your hand and just focus on the feeling and just imagine it being released as you're tapping, that's good. You're doing some healing work. You're doing releasing work. So you can do that as many times as you want. You can go through all of the EFT points. You can go through all of the EFT points just saying this feeling and just focus on it, releasing this feeling. Release. Release. Or you say this sadness. Please don't worry about the words that you're using. EFT is so powerful, and the more that you are tapping on these special energy doorways to your energy body, your energy will start to flow and it will naturally start to make you feel better and better. So once you've done that, what you can then do is start to tap in, use positive EFT. So ask yourself, how would I like to feel? So we don't need to be aiming for, I want to feel absolutely amazing, not a care in the world, just feel absolutely top of the world. You don't need to go from sadness to that kind of, yay, I feel absolutely amazing. But you can just tap on something like, I want to feel calmer. I want to feel happier. So from sadness to feeling a little bit happier, that is enough. It's taking you out of that really low emotion into, I can deal with the day. I do have this sadness, but I can move where I'm feeling calm and feeling a little bit happy, and that is enough for me. So we can just tap. I'm tapping now to feel calmer. I'm tapping now to feel happier. Calmer and happier. So we tap out the things that we don't want and we tap in what we do want. Okay? Feeling calmer and happier. I'm feeling calmer and happier now. And you can say whatever it is that you want, however you want to feel. Calmer and happier. Calmer and happier. After my dad died, quite a few years ago now, I can remember that I didn't feel safe. And my dad had been poorly for a long time, and the reality was he hadn't been able to keep me safe for a long time. I was a grown adult anyway, he didn't need to keep me safe. But I can remember having this overwhelming feeling that I wasn't safe. Who was going to keep me safe? Which was totally irrational, but that's how I felt. And so I tapped, I'm safe. I'm safe. So you tap on whatever it is that you want to feel. So let's go back to I'm calm, feeling calmer and happier. Feeling calmer and happier. Feeling calmer and happier. Feeling calmer and happier. Just give your hands a shake out. Put your hands back in the heart healing position. This is such a healing position. So do this. You can do this at any time and just say how you want to feel. So you can do EFT yourself anytime you want. You can just tap the side of your hand, you can go through all of the points. But it's always nice to feel that you've got someone doing EFT with you. And even though you're only watching me on a video, know that my energy is also coming out to you through doing this together. It doesn't matter when you're watching this, my energy is coming out to you. And so what I would like you to do is I would love you to pop a message in the comments and let me know how you want to feel. And I will, as quickly as possible, it might take a few days, but I will get to it as quickly as possible. I will create a video just like this one, and I will do an EFT session focusing on how you want to feel. I may even already have a video that I can post you to, send you to. So please drop me a message. Please don't go through this feeling by yourself. Nobody wants to go through things like this on their own. So if you're feeling sad, please drop me a message and I will do my best to help you even more. Take care. Bye.